What would happen if you drink whey daily? Whey is a byproduct of the manufacturing of cheese or casein and has several health benefits. It is the liquid remaining after milk has been curdled and strained. In this video, we will share why you should drink whey water daily and an easy recipe for this. Don't forget to subscribe for daily healthcare tips for free. Let's start. Whey benefits: an excellent source of high-quality protein and also low in calories. Whey is a complete high-quality protein that contains all of the essential amino acids. It is very digestible and absorbed from your gut quickly. Studies have proved that whey helps lower blood pressure, decrease cholesterol, helps treat type 2 diabetes, promotes muscle growth, aid in weight loss, has anti-cancer properties, and much more. So how much whey should you take a day? If you are taking whey water, 250 grams would be enough. Take 250 grams of whey water, add pinch of black pepper, pinch of salt, and give it a good shake. Drink on an empty stomach before breakfast or at night. You can also take whey protein powder. Only 1/2 to 1 scoop of whey protein powder per day should suffice for moderate activity levels. Try Promix Whey Protein Isolate Powder, grass-fed and 100% all-natural nutrition shakes, made from only the highest quality ingredients, gluten-free and keto-friendly, perfect for making post-workout shakes, smoothies, baked goods, and between-meal snacks. Enjoy better health and performance with a healthy choice. Order from the description below.